Taplio versus LinkedIn. Which tool is better for growth? Choosing the right platform can completely change how you build your professional network without wasting time on ineffective strategies. Taplio offers AI-powered content tools, while LinkedIn focuses on broad social networking. Taplio and LinkedIn both help professionals grow their presence online, but their core difference lies in approach. Taplio focuses on content creation and automation to boost engagement, whereas LinkedIn is a traditional social network centered on direct connections and organic interactions. Taplio is a growth platform designed to enhance LinkedIn performance through AI-driven content creation and scheduling. It works by analyzing your profile and network to suggest personalized post ideas, optimize posting times, and automate engagement tasks. Taplio's strengths include saving time on content planning and increasing visibility with data-backed recommendations. It also provides analytics to track post performance and follower growth. However, Taplio depends on LinkedIn's ecosystem, so it cannot replace direct networking or messaging features. Its automation features may not suit users who prefer manual control or highly personalized outreach. Taplio is ideal for professionals and marketers looking to scale their LinkedIn presence efficiently by leveraging AI tools, especially those who want to focus on content strategy rather than manual posting. LinkedIn is the largest professional social network, offering a platform for building connections, sharing content, and job searching. It works by allowing users to create profiles, connect with colleagues, join groups, and post updates or articles. LinkedIn's strengths lie in its vast user base, networking opportunities, and integrated tools like LinkedIn Learning and job listings. It supports organic growth through direct engagement, endorsements, and recommendations. However, LinkedIn's growth can be slow without consistent effort, and content visibility depends heavily on algorithm changes. It lacks built-in AI content creation or automation features, making content planning more manual. LinkedIn suits professionals who prioritize authentic networking, recruitment, or career development through direct human interaction rather than automated content strategies. Taplio and LinkedIn serve different but complementary purposes. Taplio accelerates growth by automating content creation and scheduling within LinkedIn's network, ideal for users focused on scaling influence quickly. LinkedIn offers a broader platform for relationship building and career opportunities, but requires more hands-on effort. For example, a marketer using Taplio can efficiently maintain a steady posting schedule and analyze engagement, while a recruiter on LinkedIn can build meaningful connections through personalized outreach. The trade-off is between automation and organic networking. Taplio boosts content efficiency, but depends on LinkedIn's platform, while LinkedIn provides direct interaction but less content support. Choosing between them depends on whether you value streamlined content growth or deeper personal connections. Taplio is recommended for professionals focused on maximizing LinkedIn content output and engagement using AI tools to save time and increase visibility efficiently. LinkedIn is best for users prioritizing authentic networking, career development, and direct relationship building without automation. Combining LinkedIn's platform with tools like Taplio can offer the best of both worlds for sustainable professional growth. Choose based on your growth strategy and networking style.